Hi there! Are you looking for ways to make money with your coaching business without necessarily spending all your days and your hours online? Are you looking for ways to set up a system that ensures you make sales repeatedly over time without having to keep launching every single time? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to create a sales system for your coaching business. It is so good and I cannot wait to share with you. The question is, are you ready to learn? Then come with me, let's go. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am excited to see you here. My name is Temi Ajibewa, aka the Electric Temi. I am a business coach for thought leaders, that is coaches, consultants, trainers, authors, and pretty much those who want to build, launch, and scale their coaching business. In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to create a sales system that works. Now, there are 5 main parts to a sales system, and it works like this, a sales funnel. So right at the top is your top system, the second level system, the third level system, the fourth level system, and at the bottom is the 5th level of the system. All right, please don't forget. So the first step of the system is known as your lead generation system. Now, what this system does is it brings in potential clients your way. That's the whole essence of that system. Now, bringing this home for you now, it would be your traffic generation system. What brings in people? So you could go organic, you could go by blogging, by posting on social media, or you could go inorganic, which is through paid advertising, which could be Facebook ads, Google ads, influencer ads, and so on and so forth. But you've got to have a system that is generating traffic for you 24/7. And once you plug it into your business, you're good. The next step of the system is leads engagement system. This helps you to nurture new leads. Yes. So this can be your email sequence. So the moment you get traffic and people land on a landing page. So let me go back to this. So that leads generation system. The entire process of getting traffic, either organic or inorganic, to land on your landing page where you get to collect their details, maybe name and phone number or name and email address. That system is called leads generation system. All right, that entire process. So people are not giving you their email addresses one by one, but they just have a form they fill online, and your autoresponder or your email system kicks in or saves their details into your list. And by the way, I have a comprehensive tutorial on coaching tools you need. And in that particular video, I taught on one of the tools that I use to monitor my email list and send bulk emails to my subscribers. Is that okay? So the link to the video will be right below this video. All right, so we now have the leads generation, the leads engagement. This helps you to nurture new leads. So at this stage, your email sequence can kick in, which means once they subscribe, they begin to receive emails from you, either every day or every week. But something is going out to them to create a rapport, a know, like, and trust factor between you and them. Then we have the third system, which is the leads conversion system. This helps you to build your like and trust factor, e.g., a webinar, leading people to a sales call or leading them to a sales page. So you should have an evergreen masterclass that people can always go to watch every single time to get to know you, get to like you, and get to buy from you. That is the essence of that particular system. So you want to record an evergreen masterclass where you can lead people to once they've opted into your list. So the masterclass is recorded, everything is there, sorted, selling your offer. So once they land on that page, they watch the masterclass and they make a buying decision, either to buy or not. And this can lead them to a sales page or a sales call for them to book a call with you, to speak with you, to buy from you. And this leads us then to a delivery system, which ensures that your clients receive your product in a seamless manner while you get paid with ease. One of such is an online academy, all right, or an automated email sequence tool that goes out to people delivering the course or the content or the offer that they have paid for. So if it's a course, for example, you should have an online academy where they can get login details automatically once they sign up, once they pay, right? And then from there, they have access, they log in. If it's an ebook, for example, they've paid for, you should have an email that sends that book to them as well. So your whole delivery system ensures that your clients receive your product, while your lead conversion system helps you build like and trust factor. And this is when you set up evergreen webinars or even live webinars too, right? Not just evergreen masterclasses, no. Even live webinars, you can host them on a webinar and get them to buy from you. The entire system of them making payments and all of that, it falls under delivery system, okay? Once they pay, they should be able to receive what they have paid for. And this leads also to the final stage, which is the post-sales system. And this helps you to build a stronger relationship with your clients such that they are able to refer you and even come back to buy from you over and over again. And this is where you upsell people. So beyond what they've bought from you, you also want to, have all other offers for them to buy from you. That way they can keep buying. You can downsell them. You can upsell them to different products entirely. I hope this is clear to you. So again, I'll go over it again. We have the lead generation system, the leads engagement system, leads conversion system, delivery system, and your post-sales system. All of this work together to help you automate things such that you are not always trying to sell in your business, but you have a system working for you 24/7. This way, you take the emotions out of your promotions, because these are all things that are working on their own. They almost don't need you to work, okay? I think, really, once you set them up, it's a goal. Like your emails, for example. So you cannot say, oh, today I'm feeling down, today I'm feeling depressed, or today I'm angry at my husband, therefore I won't send an email. No. Those emails have been preset. They just go. So this way you can take the emotions out of your promotions. I hope you've seen all of this and you understand, and you'll be trying to set up a system for your coaching business. If yes, let me know in the comments. Tell me which of these systems you have currently and which one you will make it a task or a goal to build going forward, or to build very, very soon. And if you found this video valuable, please think about one person who also will find this video valuable and hit the share button to share with them. If you found this video valuable, again, hit the like button. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button now and turn on notification against my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good time and stay focused.